Hello, welcome back to the Low English Dictionary channel. My name is Nikki.
And my name is Agina.
Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Hey, good morning, Oyaore. And today we're going to talk about the way we name the days. Today, tomorrow, yesterday, the day
Past
before,
tense,
and all
present
that.
tense.
Past and present, future. And we start with today. Today is like this. Kawuono.
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 So kawuono is today. So in a sentence, what sentence? Let's translate a sentence that has today.
We went to the market today.
We shall go to the market.
Yep.
Kawuono wabiro dhi e chiro. Kawuono wabiro dhi e chiro. So, can you say that?
Kawuono wabiro dhi e chiro.
Kawuono wabiro dhi e chiro. So that means today we shall go to the market. Kawuono. Today is?
Kawuono.
Kawuono. Yesterday is nyoro.
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 So to spell nyoro like this. Nyoro. That is yesterday. Nyoro. Say nyoro.
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 So an example with yesterday.
We fetched water from the well yesterday.
Nyoro ne wadhi tuomo pi e kulo. So we first fetched water yesterday from wherever, from the kisima, the well. You'd say nyoro ne wadhi tuomo pi e kulo.
Nyoro ne wadhi. Nyoro ne wadhi. Nyoro ne wadhi tuomo pi e kulo.
Nyoro ne wadhi tuomo pi e kulo.
Nyoro ne wadhi tuomo pi e kulo.
Yes. So that's how you use nyoro. That's yesterday. Tomorrow. Tomorrow becomes kiny.
Kiny.
Not kiny. Kiny.
Kiny.
Kiny.
Kiny.
And I notice that this is a very big problem for us. Kiny, like that. That is kiny, tomorrow. Kiny.
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 Yes. Example?
We will go to buy plants from the florist.
Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua. Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua.
Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua.
Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua. That means tomorrow we shall go and buy whatever. Flowers, exactly. Flowers. Tomorrow we shall go buy flowers. Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua. Can you say that again?
Kiny ne wadhi nyieo maua.
Good. And then now we talk about the day before yesterday. So the day before yesterday is orucha.
Orucha.
Orucha. Some people say oruecha. Orucha.
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 So that's day before yesterday. So if today is Sunday, then that is on Friday. So when you're talking about the day before yesterday, you talk about orucha. So what happens on Friday? So example?
We will mop the floor. No.
It is past like 3 days ago.
We were washing the house and windows.
Ne waluoko ot kod otuchi orucha. Ne waluoko ot kod otuchi orucha. Remember, ot is the house. Where is it? Ot is the house there, and otuchi is the window. So ne waluoko ot kod otuchi orucha. We washed the house and the whatever on the day before yesterday. Can you say this in English, in Luo?
Ne waluoko ot kod otich.
Otuchi.
Otuchi orucha.
Yeah. That's the day before yesterday. Which one have I not talked about?
Kesho kutwa.
Oh, the day to
After.
the day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
The day after tomorrow is hey, I don't know. Is it still Orucha?
I don't.
Okay, I'll check and then I'll put it in the comments. If you have an idea of what it is, please just
Comment down below.
comment down below. Below. Now, the other thing is we want to summarize that. So we started with today. We said today is Kawuono. Then we said yesterday is... Did you say yesterday? Nyoro.
Yes.
Then we said tomorrow is King.
And
Then we said the day before yesterday is Orucha. So this is what we talked about today. We said Kawuono means today. Nyoro means yesterday. King means tomorrow. Orucha means day before yesterday. So those are the 4 common days of the week that you may not say the day exactly like Monday or Tuesday, but you'll say, you will mean the day after or the day before. Does it make sense?
Yes.
Questions?
Yes.
What questions?
Can we review days of the week?
Days of the week. Remember, we have 7 days of the week. And the way the days of the week work in the Luo language is that we look at the day. It's like saying day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. Okay? And we start counting from Monday. So Monday is work teach.
Work teach.
Yes. We have a days of the week video. So it should be here or here.
Yeah.
Here. Let me, here, click.
No.
If you want, click. Okay, click here. Right here.
Yeah.
And then you'll see the days of the week video. But Monday is work teach.
Work teach.
Work. Let me just write it down. Work teach. Work teach. And work teach, if you translate work teach, it means it's the day that you are going to work. Like I'm getting out so that I go to work. So that is the work. That is the work part. So teach is just a day. So work teach would be the day that you're getting out of the house to go to work. So that's Monday. Then now, Tuesday, Wednesday, those now becomes, Tuesday is teach areo. That means the second day. So teach areo. Teach areo. Then teach adek becomes the third day. Then teach ang'wen. Ang'wen. I'm writing them down, then I'll show you. Then teach abich. So just look at that. So work teach, right here. Teach ariyo, that's Tuesday. Teach adek, Wednesday. Teach ang'wen, Thursday. Teach abich, Friday. So the days of the week are just the number of the day. Now, the only difference is Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, in where I come from, Saturday is the day of the Sabbath. So we say Sabato.
Sabato.
Yes. Sabato. Saturday, Sabbath day, Sabato. That's the day you go to church, Sabato. And then Sunday is the day of the market. So you say Odira.
Odira.
Yes. Odira, I think, has, someone might correct me, but Odira has its roots in the market. I think there's something it means in the market. So Chieng Odira is the day of going to the market. Chieng Sabato is the day of going to church. Some people use them interchangeably, especially those who are Catholics. They use Saturday, they say Odira for Saturday and Sabato for Sunday. Adventists say Sabato for Saturday and Odira for Sunday. So that's it.
Yep.
And those are the days of the week. And those are how you can say yesterday, today, tomorrow, and the day before tomorrow. So if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to give it a thumbs up, the time is now. Please give it a thumbs up right now. Right here. I think it's somewhere here.
It's below the video.
Yeah, below the video, right here. So give it a like so that others can see it. The thing is, if you give it a like, someone else will see it. Jackie?
Please make sure you subscribe, turn the notification bell on so you make sure that you can watch the video that we post when
We've been out for so long that Nikki has forgotten everything, how we used to read and say these things. So bear with us. And right now I'll put a video here so that if you'd like to just... Yeah, right, same place. If we put a video here, now this video is what YouTube recommends that you watch. The one she's pointing at, this one is what our latest posting, but this is what YouTube recommends that you watch. And if you click here, right here, you'll be subscribing. Okay? Oriti.
Goodbye.